Hi Cliff. So here's I have this setup. Basically, right now we have like two model which is working in the system. So we have this receiver here. It can work as the receiver which is can use for the back TV. So for the back TV, you can use the PC software control, but you also can use like one of the admin aux station for the control, right? You can just go to the corporation here. Then got video. So basically right now you can do the source switching, right? You can switch into any of the windows. Right, so basically this is the workstation, but I can control that back TV, and you can have like a full screen, but you also can just clear them. Then you can just drag as the full screen, right? So this is one way to control the back TV with the one of the workstation. So this workstation here, and right now we have the output, then we can just go to the working create, and when we log in with the admin. After we log in with the admin, then we can just do all the controls, right? We can just choose different source, the source settings, all the input source, then we can find down. Then we can just assign the different, like the hotkey, right? If you want to have the source set as a hotkey, you can do is just like, okay, let me just see. I will just set the hotkey as the country +1, right? So you can see it shows out like this one. We click submit. Then this one we just put as country +2. Double click. Okay. So for the hotkey is like we press the country and +3. Right. That means you have the country +3 as the hotkey. Okay. So now we can set the settings for the input source. And the users, right? Users, we can just set the different, like administrator, you will just have able to control the source, and the user, which we can just assign maybe just a few of the source for him. Okay. After down setting, we can just enter system, right? After enter the system, we can have like the source preview here. Choose the source, then we can just do the switching, right? Double click, then we'll just enter as a full screen. After enter the full screen, we can do is we can just use the hotkey for the source switching now, right? Basically, it's almost like seamless switching, right? Okay, this one is for the workstation itself for the source switching. And another part is, I think it's about the layouts. It's kind of like you can choose different layouts. You can have it as a multi-viewer, or as a full screen, or as a full screen. Right, you can choose the source. This kind of like when you do the monitoring, then you can just do it like this way. Just double click, then you will just enter into a full screen. Or you can just have the restore back. And option is kind of like, which we showed before, you can control the back TV. And what you also can do is you can just push the contents to another workstation. Like right now, I'm going to push, okay, let's say we have the Apple TV here. We want to push the Apple TV to that TV at that workstation, right? Go to the cooperation, agent, choose the touch here. Okay, this is the touch agent, right? The workstation. So we choose this one. We just have a push button here. So when you click the push button on the screen here, you will choose out this window. Choose out this window, we have option. We can just accept. Then we can put the one here, right? This is the other workstation. He can, from the admin, he can push the contents to this one. So this workstation can choose accept or reject, right? But this one also can do the same. He can choose the source, right? Also like the layouts as well. Also the same, he can just push this one to the admin as well. Goes to the cooperation agent from the admin, right? Choose admin because we already select that window. Just push. We're back here. We also have, we can accept, right? Accept. You can just put it here, right? This is how it works between the KVM receiver. Okay, so these two units are pretty much the same, just we have this one assigned as the video wall. This one is working as the admin workstation, which you can use in the rack. And over this side, then we have the transmitter. This transmitter is actually no the fiber ports, so it only can work as the transmitter or the receiver itself. So we have Apple TV connected, and over this side, it's going to be the same. We have two units. The first unit is the only working as the transmitter. We have the OPS computer connected. The second unit is working as the KVM, so we have the touch screen. It's the USB touch function, which will connect. That's why we can use the touch function right directly. Okay, so pretty much just like right now we have like two workstations, then have one video receiver, and it's working well. Thank you.